Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Mahindra and Mahindra. Our analyst maintains buy on M&M with an SOTP based revised price target of Rs 3,490 due to a healthy traction in its passenger vehicle segment, market leadership in the tractor segment, opportunity to grow in the farm and machinery segment, and its roadmap to play in the EV space. Mahindra & Mahindra recently launched ROX, has received advance booking of over 176,000 units in initial hours. New product launch cycle continues in the LCV and SCV space. Mahindra & Mahindra is outperforming the domestic passenger vehicle segment and gaining market share in the tractor segment. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 24.1 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 16.2 times its FY27 estimates. Next, we have an update on HDFC Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on HDFC Bank with a price target of Rs 1900. HDFC Bank released its Quarter 2 FY25 business updates. Given the focus is on normalization of CD ratio, the bank delivered solid deposit growth while loan growth remained calibrated on expected lines. While managing the LCR, the bank is confident of regaining its growth trajectory once the merger transition period is completed over next 12 to 15 months. NIM should also gradually improve over the transition period, leading to improved ROA. We remain assertive from medium to long-term perspective. At the current market price, the stock trades at 2.2 times its FY20 and 1.9 times its FY26 core book value estimate. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.